Good day. My name is ITIL Rojas and my partner Wilmer Mellizo.
Hi.
Representing our project Detection of Network Outage Primary ITV Rojas ITIL. A brief summary of which is the ITIL has developed in recognizing that organizations are increasingly dependent on information technology to achieve their corporate objectives. This increasing dependence has resulted in a growing need for quality IT service that match business objectives and meet the requirements and customer expectations. Through the years, the MTAMS has achieved from the development of TE application to objectives in the system is available to user, and in case of failure or such amendments supported be maintenance on operation process. Through the entire cycles of IT products, the operation piece reaches about 70 to 80% of the total time and cost, and the rest is invested in products developed or produced, thus effective and efficient processing for IT service management becomes essential for the success of IT departments. This applies to any type of organization, large or small, public or private, centralized or decentralized IT service. IT service international or private be third parties. In all cases, the service must be reliable, consistent, high quality and deceptive cost. As we know, for proper service strategy should serve as the width when setting and prioritizing goals and crossing the market opportunities and competitive services and others. The person of service strategy is the axis that allows the design phases, transition and service operation complete with the policies and strategic business instinct. Proper implementation of service strategic goals, budget, quality, ET, and recurring in multidisciplinary approach that helps answer some questions like: what service do we offer? What it is value? What are our properties? In service must take into account the pros for PIPs, merchant, which are what give a good starting point for defining the service strategy as perspective. What is that is the have a clear definite goals and values and variable position que different and different or service planning, establishing clear criteria for future development and patterns to ensure consistency in decision making and action take. We will discuss how apply update service strategy as an initial step to analyze the company ETV is leading company of telecommunications service which will definitely goal in improving voice and data service to its competition evaluation the change necessary to achieve and overcome. The generating strategy is to conduct a study of the network primary, data and materials needs if analysis of the problems in the ETV network to find faults in operation of equipment. This will develop checking is the tool needed for the project. According to requirement will have the electronic engineer the telecommunications. According to staff requirement will have the electronics engineers, telecommunications, and auxiliary for them, parafiscal, quarantine their assurance according to the law. In portfolio management service offered mounting, designing automation, networking, research and others in the hardware to verify the laboratory that handles ETB teams such on the DINATEL and different telephone, ecometers, analyzers that will need the approval to laboratory hardware and hardware indicating that the standard used in the network measurement ETB is right management will have a plan for rights analysis implementing the device as is the verification and performance of the DINATEL network analyzer on the elements that provide support for several measures. Another important point is the management of risks and commitment in the case of equipment, failure or personnel without proper affiliations and considering and improving plan established accept ranks for control to have the approval of both the risks and concerns and risks management. In the management of demand will be considered to make the device for detecting court should take into account the factor of quality and delayed times in case of service failure, to into account of analysis of finding budget for the development of the equipment according on the different problems made and the best team. The gaps is the quarantine of the case also complete with approval of economic analysis. Now for the packet of service should be developed taking into account corrective maintenance service assembly installation and configuration but to affect the service to or customer. To define the service pack level should consider the having of contracts which to request be the company making the customer visit. This will be done with the approval of the service packet to the closet for demand management approval. In the financial management is the what allows us the evaluate the strategy looking if received the expected again will minimizing the cost developed the with. We must take into account the values of each service, internet analysis of variables that affect the ability. Y entonces ya para terminar me pones. Of worker in different conferences including improving or reducing costs in management, both staff and equipment or materials to use it, and trying careful management according records for bank accounts have the ensuring that the objectives are carried. Okay?